Hey guys, welcome to another episode. It's a 2013 Dodge Dart. There we go. Oh man, did I say Dodge Dart? Hell no, this is 2012 Mazda Speed3 2.3 liter turbo. We're about to take it for a rip. Let's just get right into it. Dodge Dart. God damn. Alright. Seatbelt on. Let's take it for a rip. Alright, so first impressions. It is way harder to drive than the Dodge Dart. I mean, just everything's going to be compared to the Dart because was my first-ish car. That's another long story that I don't feel like saying right now. So yeah, first-ish car. Alright. Like everything is more focused on the driver, the steering wheel. So direct. It's more. It's crazy. It's like I want more, you know. I love this car. I just got it and I absolutely love it. Damn, there we go. Yeah, so some things with the car weird to get used to. The stiff clutch. The clutch is so stiff. And I just go straight. It is so stiff. This is 6-speed. I don't know why I said 5-speed. She's 6-speed. Yeah, that's 6-speed. We're in 4th right now. That actually did not feel thrilling, to be honest with you. When I first got it, it was all, you know, you got new noises, you got a whole bunch of different rumbles, but this car is planted, like, you can do that and like still be connected to the road. And I'm just like, that is honestly crazy. How planted this car is, the seats fit in very well. Don't move around at all, or very, very little. But it's a crazy car. It's really fun to drive. It's something when you want something out of your regular car, but you don't know what it is, and then this car just comes in and it's like, how about you take me for a rip? I was like, shit. But honestly, first reactions is just honestly speechless. This car, I don't really even know what to say. This is honestly crazy as hell. The car just torque steers like a motherfucker. It is. I can't explain it. This is speechless. So much fun. I don't even know what to say. Go up to the moves already the first 2 days. To say, like, I want to smile and be happy and have fun with it, and I think that's what I want to do, is just have fun with the car, and that's it. So next few videos should be I'm gonna order the bumper and fender tonight. We'll get those in. We'll have to paint those, obviously, and stuff like that. I don't know if I want to get wheels right now. I'm not really trying to dump money in the car. Just want it to look good and perform. It's performing. So yeah. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm just trying not to smile all the time, but I'm smiling all the time. It's fun. It's just not something I would expect to happen, but it did, and I'm glad it did. So we're gonna make this YouTube channel fun and interesting. The Dodge Dart, it's a car, you know. It's just a commuter car, and that's all it was to me. But this car, exhaust sounds amazing. The way that it protrudes away from the car, and it doesn't. The only time it drones is when we're in vacuum, when it's just no throttle, just coasting. That's the only time it drones. But you give it a little bit of gas and it goes away. There's a drone. I don't know. It's not really drony, but I notice it compared to the Dart. So yeah. comment, and subscribe. The channel is gonna start. I'm gonna start making more and more videos on the Speed, since we have stuff to do to it. The Dart, it's my daily. I don't really want to mess with it too much. I need it to be reliable. But this thing, let's make this channel around this car. I'll keep making videos around it. This car is just, I don't even know what to say. I am so happy with the car and how it performs and just everything about it. I just don't know what to say. I'm just grateful. So I'll leave you here with that. The ride along was pretty crazy. Did a few good pulls, and you know, showed the car off a little bit, but did a little bit of a photo shoot. So when I get the Instagram all set up for that, I'll put that in the bio of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. Stay tuned. This channel is about to show some crazy content with this car, and it's about to be very wild. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.